Hey guys, welcome back to my Flash Funding YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to deep dive into the tutorial of the Mass Trader. As many of you guys are new to the platform and you're not really familiar with how to use Mass Trader. So in this video, we will deep dive into the details of how you can use Mass Trader, how you can place trades, how you can execute, how to access the platform, basically everything there is to know about use trading with the Mass Trader platform. But just before we do that, if you are new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And do not forget to watch this video until the end because we will be doing 3 $10,000 My Flash Funding account giveaways here on in this video. So be sure to stick till the end so you know how to participate in the 3 into $10,000 My Flash Funding account giveaways. So let's first start with the process of if you want to take the challenge here at My Flash Funding. We will start with taking the challenge, you getting the login credentials, then logging in Mass Trader, and then executing the trades, doing a walkthrough of Mass Trader platform and seeing what are the benefits of the platform. So let's say that you want to take a $100,000 account, which is our most popular account here at My Flash Funding, and you want to go for 2-step evaluation. It's up to you as we have 1-step and 2-step. You can choose whichever you want. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on buy evaluation, and when I will click on buy evaluation, I'm going to choose the 100K account 2-step, and as the only platform available is Mass Trader, so we're going to choose it and then we will go for the checkout page. So that's the checkout page. We're gonna fill out all the information plus the discount code. As My Flash Funding is currently running 30% off at the time when I'm recording this video. When you are watching this video, definitely there will be some sort of discount going on, so do not forget to take the advantage of that promotion. So let's fill out the checkout page and take the account. Alright, so I have filled the information. So let's now click on pay now and take the account with My Flash Funding. So now we're on the thank you page. As we have done the purchase, it's saying please allow up to 5 minutes for your account to be sent via email and updated in your dashboard. If you haven't created an account with us yet, please check the account login details, email, and click the link to create your dashboard password. So that's the email that you're going to get with the account size, with the login, which is going to be your account number, password to access the platform, the server. That's basically the website which we're going to use to log in to Mass Trader. As I clicked on that link, it's bringing us to this page, platform.myflashfunding.com/login. And as the platform is Mass Trader, it's mentioned here. So let's put the email address and password which we just received and click on sign in. And it's going to take us to the Mass Trader platform. But that's the first view of Mass Trader platform. We're going to now talk about how you can take the trade, how you can access the platform, how you can create your own watch list, and basically all the features that are available inside the platform that can be beneficial for you. So the first thing first, you can see here, it says the account number and also on which phase you are in. Either you are on phase 1 or phase 2, or you are funded. As now I just took the accounts, I'm on the phase 1 of the evaluation because I took a 100K 2-step evaluation account. My balance is 100,000. As there is no current trade running, it's not using any margin, and margin level is also 0%. Now that's the chart. By default, I got the Euro USD chart, and that's the daily time frame. Now these are the time frames that you can choose. So let's say I click on it. It's gonna show me 1 minute chart, 5 minutes, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. So let's go to 15-minute chart. And on 15-minute, that's the current market data here right now. And the time zone is also mentioned here. Right now, it's the midnight according to UTC time. You can choose the different chart type. Right now, we are on the candle. The other option available is the line chart, which looks like this. So let's go back to the candle one. Now, the third option is the layout. Let's say that you want to use 3 different charts at one time. So here you want to put Euro USD. Here you want to put, let's just say, gold. And on the third side, you want to put GBP JPY. You can access up to 4 different charts in one layout. So if you want to open 4 different charts, you can simply just click on it and it's going to show you 4 charts, and you can definitely open different pairs in each chart. Another thing is the zoom in and zoom in option. So basically if you want to zoom in, you can use your scroll, of course, or you can simply just come here, click on the zoom out, it's going to zoom out the chart, or click on the zoom in, it's going to zoom in the chart. The next thing is the information as well as the crosshair. So you can either use the cursor or you can simply use this crosshair, similar to how we use on TradingView. That's a very good feature as well. And then we have some drawing tools on the chart here. So let's say you want to do your technical analysis on the chart here. We can draw the trend lines. We can put the horizontal lines. Vertical line option is also available. You can also draw channel, which is basically tilted range, as well as Fibonacci retracement is also available. Other than that, you have options to add indicators onto the chart. So let's say that you want to use moving average from the list. So you will just click on it and put the settings. Let's say that I want to add 50 period moving average. Choose the color and click on add moving average, and it will add the moving average. Now by default, these are all the indicators that are available on MasterTrader platform, and as of now there is no option to add custom indicators into the platform. So how it's gonna be working for me, at least, that I will be doing the technical analysis just like I was doing on TradingView when even I was using MetaTrader, because I was only using MetaTrader to execute the trades, to take out my partial positions, to close the trade. And in the case of MasterTrader, it's gonna be the same as well. I'm gonna be still using TradingView for my technicals, but I will be using MasterTrader to execute the trades. So the indicators, they are not a lot. However, we do have some indicators available on the platform. Now, if you go to the settings, the graph settings, by default, grid and display positions, which we will talk about that in a bit, these options are enabled. So I will just disable the grid option, so that way chart will look more cleaner. Now one thing that I want to mention here is that you can also download the desktop app. So let's just say that you click on it. It's showing you the process how you can download the app. So if you're on Google Chrome, on the tab, it will be showing you the plus sign, and once you click on it, just like the way here, it's going to ask you to install the app. And once you're going to install the app, it will look like this. So that's now the app of MasterTrader. And you can see it's exactly the same as web-based platform. Now here on the left, you have all the pairs option. Other than that, on the top left, you have the economic calendar option as well. So basically, all the economic events for the day, you can see them from here. That's the list of all the economic events. You can select by going to all symbols. If you want to add commodities, you can add by clicking on commodities. If you want to add forex pairs, you can go to FX and you can select all the pairs that you want. Now by default, these are the pairs that are available, but let's say that you want to create your own watch list. So how you're going to create your own watch list is that, let's say that here, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, JPP JPY, Euro JPP, BTC USD, Aussie USD, Ethereum USD, USD Swiss franc, USD JPY. They are mentioned in the favorite section. So if you go to all symbols and you go to FX and let's say you want to add CAD Swiss franc, so you will just click on this star button here. Once you click on it, it's gonna put the Canadian dollar Swiss franc pair into the favorite list. And if you want to access it, you just have to click on it and it's gonna show you. Now, other than that, there is another thing that you can see here, which is basically the sell and buy. If you want to take the position, after you click on the pair on the left side, which is on the watch list, not only that it's going to open the pair for you, it's going to open the chart, but also it's going to show you the positions as well, whether you want to take the sell, whether you want to take the buy, plus how much volume that you want to use. So let's say that I want to take a buy. Now, when I'm taking a buy, it's asking me for the confirmation. We can turn off the trade confirmation. It's up to you, but I think let's just keep it enabled. The reason, you can click on it mistakenly as well, so we don't want to do that for sure. You can choose the different volumes. Let's say I want to take the trade with one standard volume, so I will simply just put one standard volume. I will click on buy, will confirm it, and that's how the trade is going to be placed. And I have also received a notification on the right side that I just bought one USD JPY at price 150.654. Now these are the open positions. You can also see the pending orders, the close position, and also the finance section, which is basically your transaction history. Now let's talk about the 3 $10,000 My Flash Funding Accounts giveaway. So here are the steps that you need to follow in order to participate in the giveaway. The first step is that you have to subscribe to My Flash Funding YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Second step is going to be share this video on Twitter and tag My Flash Funding. Third step is going to be comment down below and tell us your opinion on MasterTrader platform, whether you like it or even if you don't like it, just let us know in the comment section. Fourth is going to be make sure that you are a member of Discord community of My Flash Funding, because we are doing bunch of giveaways all the time in the Discord community, and also every single update is being shared in the Discord as well as on the official page of My Flash Funding Twitter. These are the only 4 steps that you have to follow in order to participate into 3 $10,000 My Flash Funding Accounts giveaway. So going back to the open position, as we just opened the trade and there is no stop loss and take profit level, how we can basically add stop loss and take profit is you see the option here, stop loss. Under it on the trade, once you click the position that you just took, you see this plus option and you click on it. It's going to ask you where you need to place your stop loss. So let's say that I want to place my stop loss right here at 144.82 144.829 price. So we can simply just choose 144.829. Once you will be putting that, it's gonna basically show you how much money you will be losing or how much you can lose in terms of dollar. So that's showing me 3,867. So let's say that if I want to place a stop loss based on the amount that I want to lose, let's say minus $1,000. So I will simply just put minus 1,000 and it's going to show me where we should place the stop loss. It's now showing here 149.148. That's an incredible way to automatically adjust your stop loss based on the amount that you're willing to risk. So once we click on save, it's going to place the stop loss, which is right there. So that's the stop loss and that's the entry from where we just took the trade. You can also place your take profit, and if you want to place your take profit, let's say at 2,000 value, you click on save, it's gonna place your take profit, and you can also see your take profit, which is right here, and that's basically at the profit of $2,000. Now on the watch list, what you see that you are getting symbol, you're getting the price, you can also see the spread just like the way we could see the spread on MetaTrader. Now this spread, the number 2 here is not 2 pips, it's basically 0.2 pips, and number 14 here is 1.4 or 1.5 pips, as it is now changing from 1.4 to 1.5. If you are seeing 5 in front of GBP USD, it doesn't mean that it's 5 pips spread. Instead, it means it is a 0.5 pip spread. If you want to close your trade, you can simply just click on this close option. It will close your trade completely, but if you want to partially close your trade, you just have to click on this pen option and you can choose how much lot size you want to close. So let's say that I want to close half of my position. So I will just type 0.50 and I will click on save. It's gonna close 50% of the position and the remaining 50% are gonna be running. So I can close them by just clicking on this button right here, which is the close position. And it's gonna of course ask me for the confirmation whether I want to close the trade, because sometimes we can mistakenly click on it as well. Now if you have multiple accounts and you want to choose from one account to another account, you will have to choose from this list. Once you click on it, it's gonna basically bring all the accounts that you have on your MetaTrader platform here at My Flash Funding. So let's say that I only have one single account which is on phase 1. That's the reason it is only showing one account. Otherwise, if I have like 3 accounts, it will then show me 3 different accounts in the top down list, and you can choose whichever account you want to move to. Now another way to take the trade is by just going to this button right here, which is the I for information. Once you click on it, it's gonna show you all the details: the daily change, weekly change, monthly change, where is the price range for the daily, the economic calendar as well as if you want to place a new order, you click on it and it's gonna open this order window right here. Now here you can choose either market if you want to place a trade at the current price, or you can put the pending limit. So let's say that you want to put the pending limit. So how you can put them is you can simply just see where you want to put the pending limit. Let's say that I want to place a sell position when market will reach at this price level. I'm going to put a horizontal line, which is the 1.28180 price level. I will put 1.28180 price. I will put the lot size value. Let's say I want to take the trade with 2.50 standard lot, as well as I want to place my stop loss and take profit. So to place a stop loss, just click on this plus button to put the stop loss, and you have to choose the price. Let's say that I want to place my stops at 1.28250. So I will just mention the price level here, and to place my take profit, let's say that I want to target the price level, which is right here, 1.27350. So I will put the price level. It's showing me how much money I will be risking and how much money I will be expecting when market will hit my take profit. So we can just simply put the sell limit. That's me when I want to put the sell limit. That's why my stop loss is higher than the price where I want to take the trade, and my take profit is lower than the price. So let's just click on sell limit here. Again, it's asking for us to confirm. Click on confirm. So it has just placed the sell limit order. And to see them, you have to go to pending orders, and that's where you can see them. So let's say that you want to move your take profit and stop loss level. So you just have to drag and drop your stop loss and take profit, and they will be automatically adjusted wherever you want to move them. And you can also do that to the sell limit order that you just placed. So that's pretty much it. The basics of MetaTrader, how you can use that, how you can make your own watch list, how you can move from one account to another account, how to install the desktop app, how to take the trade, how to partially close out the position, how to put the limit orders as well. Let us know in the comment section if you have any question regarding how to access MetaTrader. We will be able to assist you with that. And that's it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you guys in the next video.